Let's talk about how retailers can drive more sales with mobile apps. Now, even though online shopping has been around for decades, it's taken a drastic turn recently. In the aftermath of COVID-19 and the ever-presence of rising inflation, consumers are more careful with their money than ever. Furthermore, the audiences you must target are now more tech-savvy as well. These days, 39% of shoppers value budget-friendly options, and 22% plan to delay purchases altogether. Now, customers shopping online want high-quality images, ample deals, and discounts to entice them to commit to a purchase. Email marketing is also in decline. You might think that if email marketing is in decline, paid advertising is the way to go. However, this option is becoming more and more expensive. In 2024, it costs 12.28% more to advertise on TikTok than it did last year, and 7.4% more on Meta platforms. Plus, you're not in control of social media and streaming platforms, and they can decide to change the rules on you at any time. Just recently, for 2024, Facebook announced many changes, including a limit of 8 conversion events per domain, the removal of 28-day conversion tracking, and a pivot to preferring video ads. Streaming media, YouTube, and more means that there are far more places to place ads for an effective strategy to work, which adds even more expense. Now, what can you do to ensure your online strategy is worth it? Number one is use targeted ads. Much like email marketing, you want to use all the data you have about a customer to advertise to them. Try using ads as a space to remind them of abandoned carts, or track their shopping habits and recommend similar products to what they already buy. Number two is get creative. Static pictures aren't as exciting as audio-visual content, so if you can make a quick TikTok video to promote your brand or product, try it out. It doesn't have to be fancy, just short, sweet, and to the point. Or set up a clear brand voice like Wendy's famous Twitter feed that makes you stand out. Number three is harness the power of influence. People trust people more than brands. So if you can hire an influencer to promote your products, give that a try. The ROI on influencers can be as high as 650%. If that seems out of reach, consider starting an affiliate program. Plus, you can take advantage of online reviews by showcasing favorable ratings of your product or service. Still, with this landscape presenting so many challenges, brands often assume that they can rely on SMS messages to engage customers. However, this approach becomes extremely expensive. You have to pay for the SMS messages you send, and customers have begun to tune out text messages like they do emails. They may open them, but they don't tend to tap links or much else. Now, push notifications are easy and basically free to send, but you need an app to send them. They let you include personalized details, images, and more. The solution to all these problems is launching your own mobile app. So, what should your mobile app be like? Your website is square one towards creating an app. Now, MobiLoud lets you quickly turn your existing website into an app. That includes custom functionality, branding, and anything else you've already created. Now let's talk about MobiLoud's work with Route 21. MobiLoud got their app built in just 4 days, and there was no in-house coding or rebuilding, just their website made into an app. This meant their promotion was a success, and Route 21 also saw continuing improvements. These include more than 45,000 app downloads in 2 months, 70% higher average revenue per user in the app, and 10% higher engagement time in the app. It also enabled push notifications and automatic syncing across their entire catalog with their look and branding intact. Shopping habits have changed dramatically in just the last few years, showing no signs of returning to the way that they were. Customers are on their phones more than ever, and they expect a seamless experience when they're shopping online. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you got some value out of it. And if you're interested in learning more about MobiLoud, take a look at the links in the description.